When it comes to enhancing the look and feel of your home, few improvements can have as significant an impact as replacing your front door. Whether you're planning to sell your property or simply want to refresh its appearance, a new door is an investment that can dramatically boost your home's curb appeal. In neighborhoods like Slidell, where community pride and property aesthetics go hand in hand, a door replacement can make all the difference in how your home is perceived from the street. First impressions matter. Your front door is the first thing visitors, neighbors, and potential buyers see when they approach your home. It serves as the focal point of your exterior and as a statement of your personal style and care for the property. Over time, doors can become worn, weathered, or outdated, diminishing the overall look of your home. A new door immediately refreshes the facade, creating a welcoming entrance that draws attention and sets a positive tone for what lies inside. In neighborhoods like Slidell, where homes often feature traditional or coastal styles, choosing a door that complements the local architectural trends can elevate the overall appeal of your home. From classic wood finishes to sleek, modern designs, there's a wide range of options that can reflect both the neighborhood's charm and your own unique taste. Increased property value. Whether you're looking to sell your home or simply increase its long-term value, replacing your front door is a smart move. Real estate experts agree that curb appeal plays a pivotal role in how quickly and profitably a home sells. In Slidell, where there is a mix of established homes and newer builds, an updated, high-quality door can make your home stand out in a competitive market. A stylish door replacement gives your home an updated and well-maintained look, which signals to potential buyers that the property has been cared for and is likely to have other important updates inside. Moreover, when buyers see a beautiful entrance, it can create an emotional connection, making them more likely to envision themselves living in the space. The return on investment for a front door replacement is often substantial. Studies have shown that replacing a front door can recoup a significant portion of its cost when selling a home. Even if you're not planning to sell right away, a door replacement is a valuable way to enhance the long-term value of your property. Enhanced security and energy efficiency. In addition to improving aesthetics, a new door can provide important functional benefits. Many older doors are less secure and less energy efficient than modern replacements. Upgrading to a newer model with better insulation and security features can provide peace of mind, knowing that your home is more secure from break-ins and better equipped to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature year-round. In the humid, coastal climate of Slidell, an energy-efficient door is especially valuable. A high-quality, insulated door helps keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, reducing the strain on your HVAC system and lowering energy bills. It's a win-win situation. Your home looks great while also becoming more energy efficient. Design flexibility for every style. One of the best things about replacing your front door is the opportunity to choose a design that perfectly matches the architectural style of your home. Whether you live in a charming cottage, a traditional brick house, or a more modern design, you can find a door that enhances your home's personality and ties together its exterior features. For example, Slidell's coastal homes often benefit from doors with glass elements that let in natural light and offer a view of the beautiful surrounding landscapes. Meanwhile, more traditional homes in the area might opt for a classic wooden door with intricate detailing or a stately double-door design. Many homeowners also choose to customize their doors with sidelights, hardware, and paint colors that make a bold statement. With the wide array of materials, colors, and designs available today, the possibilities are endless for creating a front door that perfectly complements your home. A lasting impact. Replacing your front door is an investment that goes beyond immediate aesthetics. The right door can offer years of beauty, security, and energy savings while giving your home a striking appearance that is sure to impress. In a community like Slidell, where pride in homeownership is evident, a new door is an easy yet effective way to make your property stand out and leave a lasting impression. So, whether you're looking to update your home's look, increase its value, or enhance security and energy efficiency, a front door replacement is a simple yet impactful improvement that makes a significant difference in the curb appeal of your Slidell home.